Hello, teacher.
Good evening. What is your name?
My name is Henry.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Now, let us have the speaking test for weather and seasons. What's the weather like today in your city?
The weather today in my city is rainy and cloudy.
Okay. Now, what clothes do you normally wear on a sunny day?
I often wear shorts and shirt on sunny day.
Now, what clothes do you normally wear on a rainy day?
On a rainy day, I often wear shorts and shirt.
Okay. Now, what are the 4 seasons?
Summer.
The 4?
Yes, spring.
The
4 season is spring, summer, fall, and winter.
What special things can you do in spring?
I often decorate my house in spring.
What special things can you see in summer?
I can see gathering in everyone family.
What can you eat in winter or in autumn season?
I can eat mooncake in autumn season.
What can you do in winter?
I can sleep all day.
Okay, now what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer because I can go to beach and I don't go to school.
Okay, that's all for tonight, Henry. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.